Here we have a patrol line alarm, high performance systems. Just to explain a little about it. Very easy to install, very reasonable with price, unlike some alarms that cost £300 to £400, and the other alarms come with a separate key fob. This one actually links to the car's brain and is controlled by the original key fob itself. I'll give you an example of how that works. Where I've put the alarm is in the storage compartment in my Golf mk5. That's the alarm right there. Has no chance of falling out. Try and get a better picture there. On the side here, I've decided to put my ultrasonic sensor box in the fuse compartment. Made my life easier when there was false triggering of the alarm. So this part right there is the sensitivity adjustment. Okay, just put everything together. Yeah, leave that for now. We'll like show you the feature this alarm has. I'll put the car on. Open the windows. Turn off the car. Just close the door. Now, another feature this alarm has, the chirp. And now the car's locked, and this is what the alarm does for me. It pulls the windows up automatically. And the other side is done. Now, I'll show you the sensitivity on the ultrasonic sensor. That's these things here. I'll lock the car. That is the indicator of the alarm active. I'll lock it. That's just beeping away at the moment. Give it time. I'll try and stay as still as possible for this. Okay, now it's set. If I move, the alarm goes off. That's the correct sensitivity adjustment. Unlock the car. Now for the shock that's on the alarm itself. Just lock the car again. Just wait for that. Okay, now it's ready. I'm just going to give the window a little tap. As you can hear, that's working too. That's about it. Any questions, just message on the YouTube link. I will provide information of where this alarm is sold. As I said, very reasonable with price. Stable. I've had it for about 5 months now. It works great. Never let me down. Thanks for watching.